Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a comparison between these two smartphone photo filters. So this is the Visi Solar, this is the Cospoth. So it comes with some solar glasses you can put on your face, but both of these are meant to put over your smartphone lenses, and you can hold them. They don't have any double-sided tape or nothing, but you're going to put this shiny side towards the sun, and then that way you can take a picture. This one the Visa is a little bit bigger, we can see. The lens, everything's just a little bit bigger. So it does go over your smartphone, all three lenses a little easier. So this is what it's going to look like as the sun's going across, or the moon's going across the sun, you'll see this through that lens. And again, I do like that this one, the Cospoth, the blue ones here, it comes with these sunglasses also that we can put on our face. I have glasses. They go over my glasses, really, really easy. I can look up at the solar eclipse, or I can put them on without glasses. So I hope this comparison video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.